Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea without milk. Making a delicious cup of tea is simple and rewarding. First, select your preferred tea type, whether it's a robust black tea, a delicate green tea, or a soothing herbal blend. Always use fresh, cold water for the best flavor extraction. Heat the water to the correct temperature, then steep your tea leaves or bag for the recommended time. This ensures a perfect, flavorful brew every time. Getting the water temperature right is crucial for a great cup of tea. For black and most herbal teas, you'll want boiling water, around 212 degrees Fahrenheit. However, green and white teas are more delicate, thriving in cooler water, typically between 160 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Steeping times also vary. Black tea needs 3 to 5 minutes, while green tea is best steeped for 1 to 3 minutes to avoid bitterness. You can easily enhance your tea's flavor without adding milk. A slice of lemon or orange provides a bright, citrusy zing. For a touch of sweetness, try a spoonful of honey or agave nectar. Fresh mint leaves or thin ginger slices offer a wonderfully refreshing aroma and taste. And for a warm, comforting twist, a pinch of cinnamon or cardamom can truly elevate your brew. Now that your perfect cup of tea is ready, pour it into your favorite mug and savor the moment. Don't be afraid to experiment with various tea types and steeping durations to find your ideal strength and flavor profile. Remember, proper storage is key to maintaining freshness. Always keep your tea in an airtight container away from light and moisture. Enjoy your delicious, milk-free brew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.